In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Master Balls in Pokemon. So the thing that's amazing about Master Ball is that it has a 100% catch rate. So meaning whatever Pokemon you try and catch in it, you're going to catch it 100% guaranteed. So how do you get it? Well, one way to do it is by finding a grotto in the wild. You can find this in the forest biome. So I found one here. Let's TP to it and make sure it's the right thing. I'm like under the ground. I can't seem to find it. Basically, what it will look like, you'll go to the forest biome. Let's type in forest. You go to the forest biome, and then there'll be like a little tree, and it'll have like a little base inside it. It'll be hollowed out, and then inside there you'll be able to find it. And it's like a little wooden hut looking thing. It's very obvious when you see it, but that's in the forest biome. And you can do commands if you want to find it quicker, but it's kind of cheating. But there are commands to do it. I think this thing here, which I found is the wrong thing. It does not look like this. It basically looks like a hollow tree. Now, you can also get them by defeating legendary boss Pokemon, and they will drop them too, which is another great way to get them. But they're not too hard to find if you go to a forest biome, / locate biome, forest. You can type in that command, then you can click on this link here. That's going to teleport you there. Now, it's kind of cheating, but you know, it depends how you play the game. If you think that's cheating, then don't do it. If you don't care, then you can do that. So basically, you just want to look around here like I'm doing, and you'll eventually find one. It may take a while, but of course it's worth it because you get that 100% catch rate. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.